Cell communicate using chemical signals that bind to specific receptor. Cellular communication consists of four essential elements: a stimuli cell, a stimulant molecule, a receptor protein, and a responding cell. I'm getting sick of this right now. What's up, everybody? Yeah, I've been very busy. But I'm just like, just take a break. I don't even care anyway, so that will just push on the side and be with you guys now. So what this video is about, I have a GoPro Hero 7 right here in my hand, and I'll be teaching you guys how to update the camera. You have two different options. You can update it manually to yourself, kind of Wi-Fi way, but from your phone. So you use the GoPro app, so download that app, and then it's the easiest way I can think of. But sometimes people can't do it, so they would have to update it manually for some reason. So yes, first step, of course, is a simple step. You have to connect your camera to their phone. I might make another video of how to connect it to the GoPro app, but right now, if you guys know how to do it, you connect this camera to a GoPro app. So once you connect your camera to GoPro app, it'll ask you if you want to join your Wi-Fi from your camera. So you disconnect from the internet, from the actual Wi-Fi router. And then there should be an update that will comes up that for your camera. So you will get an email from GoPro company that is saying you have to update your camera. This thing should pop up, and then you can update from there. Just a simple step from your phone. It should take maybe about 5-10 minutes to update from your camera. So make sure you have your camera fully charged and your phone fully charged too. So in case if it dies and then the update wouldn't work at all, and then you might have to do the extra step to fix the camera update because it updated halfway through for some reason. Your camera should be looking like this, and then it'll say downloading update. It just transfer your file there. And once your camera started updating, I would just leave your phone right next to the camera for about 5 minutes and then come back to it, see if it's done. So I wouldn't bother touching, leaving the app at all because I don't want to mess it up at all. So just leave it alone. Maybe you can eat some ice cream while you're waiting for an update, watch some TV, anything you enjoy. Maybe film edit. So once the update is done, this should pop up. Then once it's done, it'll say update completed. Then that's when your phone will be still running like this. So you can turn off your phone because the update is completed. Then your camera will just shut off by itself. You can turn it back on. Completed. It's simple. There's another option where you can update your camera. Like I said in the beginning, you can update it manually if you can connect your GoPro app or some reason it just doesn't work. So the second thing you want to get this SD card out if you have an SD card adapter. Or you can just plug in the wire, that give you like a charger. You can plug it into the computer, but what I'm doing is an SD card because I think it's a much better way. It's recommended by GoPro. So this is an SD card adapter that should come with every micro SD card in the package once you buy it. So once I'm connected, I have a GoPro app right here that you can update your camera. I'll put the link in below for you guys to have an easier access to. Of course, I have a Hero 7 Black. And then there's Hero 7 Silver and White, so I have a 7 Black, so I'm just going to click on it. And then there's the latest release right here. So you can update your camera manually, that's what I'm going to do. So then right here, there's the 14-digit serial number that you take the battery out. So you'll see the 14-digit serial number and you take the battery out of your camera. And then you have to look at it, kind of hard to see, but if you put it in the light, you'll be able to see it right here, down here. And then you'll have to download, they'll give you a link to download the update right here. So then the update, then it should open up for Mac. In the window, you might have to archive. I'm not sure, I don't have window anymore, I used to have it, but you have to unzip yourself, but Mac automatically does it. So I'm gonna just put it on the side for now. So I'm gonna just put this away. So now I have an update, so I'm going to plug in my SD card and then bring up my camera. And then my Hero 7 right here is going to open it. I'm going to just open it up. So I'm going to open it up and then I'm going to open my update card too. And then you just add it there. But I already have my camera updated, so once you put that in there, and then you exit out and then put your SD card back in your camera, and then it should be updating for you guys. That's all the two options that you can update your GoPro Hero 7. The first one is the most simple way for you guys to do it, but if for some reason it just doesn't update or just doesn't pop up. So the second way is also easier if you have a cord, the charger for your camera, or use the SD card with an adapter. That's all I have to say for you guys today. I hope it helped for you. If you haven't, go find that subscribe button and click on it. If you already have, crack the bell to ring notification for you guys for my future update video for you guys of 2019. If you already have that, both check off. all you feeding have to wait. Alright, I have to get back to reading now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Do you guys think I love yet? Not yet. I have one more before I go. I have a couple more updates about my future and stuff like that. You know, I've been busy, but my goal is to post Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Tuesday would be some tutorial tip or something like that. Thursday is just maybe other tip because I don't have much time for you know, walking around vlog and stuff like that. I'm hoping Sunday would be really awesome for you guys to watch. Sunday it's gonna be show and tell Sunday, which is gonna be really cool. I'll be show and tell maybe about my skill or my equipment, or you know, it's kind of like a tutorial maybe sort of, but it'll be show and tell with my equipment. I'll be providing you know, all kind of equipment that I use. Show and tell Sunday should be really exciting. I'm super excited for that, and I hope you guys would enjoy show and tell Sunday. All right, I should get going. I have to read now. So.